and welcome to this NCT Save, Glute, and Thigh Burner dance workout. If you want more NCT, be sure to check out my Patreon link right up here or in the description down below. We've got Simon Says and Mad Dog exclusive to patrons. I'm also running a K-pop sticker sale for the entire month of June. Everything is 30% off, so go get your NCT stickers or other K-pop fandom stickers linked in the description down below. Alright, let's get started.
Too many satellites above 떨어져도 나에게 데려다줬어 We blinded by the love 우리는 어디서든 붙어있어 On the way, memories gone 날 잊기 싫은 모든 순간들 On the way, the melody goes All the things that in my sight Till infinite time Saving you, saving me 미래의 기억 Saving you, saving me Unconditional Saving you, saving me Memories of love In my sight Till infinite time Memories of love Save you, save me Save our memories Take you, take me Take us to infinity Save you, save me Save our memories Take you, take me Take us to infinity 같은 자리에 머물던 그땐 항상 입가에는 보물선 널 만나고 보물섬에 arrival 맘 안에 전부 담았어 On the way, memories go 사랑을 멈추기는 싫어 no 저기 그릇을 넘어서고 Starlight shining bright Till infinite time Saving you, saving me 미래의 기억 Saving you, saving me Unconditional Saving you, saving me Memories of love In my sight Till infinite time Memories of love Save you, save me Save our memories Take you, take me Take us to infinity Save you, save me Save all memories Take you, take me Take us to infinity Out of sight, out of mind No longer the same thing 시공간 금옥과도 오를 떼어넣을 수 없으니 Out of sight, out of mind 그거 다 옛말 우리 모두는 우주고 We gon' space opera Saving you, saving me 미래의 기억 Saving you, saving me Unconditional Saving you, saving me Memories of love In my sight Till infinite time Save you, save me Save our memories Take you, take me Take us to infinity Save you, save me Save our memories In my sight Memories of love
Awesome job, guys. Workout complete. If you want more NCT, be sure to check out my Patreon link right here, or check out my NCT and other K-pop fandom stickers linked in the description down below. Alright, thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time.